What is up, guys? Welcome back to this new video, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to lead source hundreds of different businesses for free and get clients from Facebook groups, right? So you don't need to waste money on expensive automation tools and bullshit like that. You can do it the old-fashioned way, the free way, on Facebook, right? I'm sure this works on LinkedIn. I mean, it does work on LinkedIn as well, and it also probably works on Instagram, because I'm sure there's Instagram groups out there if you can make your way into them, right? But yeah, as I said, don't waste any time or money like trying to find like snazzy tools to do this all for you in like 2 minutes, when you can literally just do this, guys. So this is really only going to work if you have a niche in mind. So I'm just using my martial arts profile, and basically, as you can see here, optimized for martial arts schools. Basically, what you can do is just type in something like martial arts. Yeah, we'll try martial arts first. We'll head over to groups. And I mean, I've already joined a ton of them because I was using this strategy a lot. But I was just using groups like this, right? You open them in new tabs, stuff like that. So like school owners, top martial arts schools, stuff like that, instructors. And as you can see here, each of these groups has like 1,000 members. I'm not in this group. This one's got, yeah, about 2,000 members, 1,000 members roughly. And like these are people, like these groups are full of people who are pretty much my ideal clients, right? They all run their own like martial arts groups, right? And basically what you can do in these groups is make different posts, right? So I'm not sure if I've made one in this group before, but let me have a look. Yeah, see, I've done a few posts in this group. Obviously, some groups have better engagement than others. I did actually get quite a lot of likes in one group. I'll see if I can find it quickly. But basically what I recommend doing is pretty much just like do posts like this in groups, do them fairly regularly. Obviously, some groups are going to be far more engaging than others, and that's completely fine. But basically, what you'll find is people are going to start engaging on your post, and you can also basically go ahead and scout through here. So all these people are pretty much like ideal clients and stuff like that, right? You can just add them. They'll find your profile. They'll go down your funnel, right? Sort of going down that rabbit hole. But yeah, like it's super simple, right? You don't need to overcomplicate this because it really is simple as this. Doing that, potentially reaching out to these people, but as long as you're putting good content on your page, and go back to my video where I basically discussed doing that, there's literally no reason you can't get clients doing this. So super short video, but yeah, stop wasting time and money on stupid ass tools that literally don't do fuck all, and just literally do this, something like this, guys. I'll do another video in future on LinkedIn, but yeah, very quick video. One more thing I wanted to sort of cover is if you want to ask any questions and find out a bit more about what I do, and also access all the free documents, then join this group I put together, LinkedIn and lead generation. 63 members so far. I've basically put like all my closing scripts and my content schedule, everything for free, right? What people are charging in for in courses, I'm literally just shoving it in this group for free. So I'll leave a link to that just below this video in the description box. So go and check that out, join the group, and I look forward to seeing you in there. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.